The last category of herbs I'm going to talk about today are bitters. Now, the first three are pretty much nutritive herbs. You can just take them and take them and take them, and they're just going to be fine for you. The bitters are the herbs that are considered more medicinal. They have the most active ingredients, like the first chart that I showed you. Garlic is one example, although garlic can also fit partly an aromatic. You know, some of them do overlap. But would you like to eat some garlic?
No, thank you.
All right, we'll pass on the eating of the garlic. Everybody's eating garlic. So the thing with bitters is the reason that they're bitter is that they contain alkaloids. And the alkaloids are the active ingredients. They can be antibiotic-like herbs. They can be hormone-like herbs. These are the herbs that you don't want to just indiscriminately just take and take and take. For example, golden seal. Golden seal is a wonderful, wonderful herb. It's an antibiotic like you wouldn't believe. It does wonderful things, but it also lowers your blood sugar. So you need to know that before you take a ton of it for an antibiotic. So these are the herbs that actually have a major effect on your body, and the reason that they're bitter is that nature made them bitter so you wouldn't want them, at least not in any great degree. You don't want to take a ton of bitter herbs. So these are the ones that you want to be more careful of. You don't want to just go to the health food store and buy a bunch and start, chugging them down. The other ones, you can. All right, so you want to be careful with the golden seal, with the echinacea, with the black cohosh. These are the more medicinal herbs, and you may want to ask someone who knows about herbs before you take these on your own.